Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking for you some brown stew sliced fish with some pumpkin rice and callaloo. Here I've already washed my fish and I've added some complete seasoning, some garlic and onion, some all-purpose and some black pepper, and now I'm going to season my fish with this. Alright. Make sure that everything gets into the fish. Then I'm going to let this marinate for about half an hour. Now I have my oil here ready for my fish. I'm going to add a few pegs of garlic and then I'll be adding my fish to the oil. Alright. Now I'm going to be preparing my pumpkin rice. Here I've already shredded some pumpkin and I'm going to be adding it to my pot. I have some garlic and a piece of scallion. I'm going to be adding some pimento seeds and a piece of thyme as well. I'm going to be seasoning my pot with some pumpkin seasoning, again a little salt and a scotch bonnet pepper for taste. Alright. Here I'm adding a little olive oil to my pot so that I can use it to saute my fish. I'm adding some garlic and scallion. My pumpkin. I'm going to let it saute for about 2 minutes. Here I'm seasoning it with some garlic and onion all-purpose seasoning. Black pepper. A little complete seasoning. A little salt. Some pimento seeds are for green. So this now I will saute a bit. I'm also going to be adding some Indian curry powder just for color so that my rice color can be pretty. Now I'm going to be adding some water to this and let it boil. And then after it comes to a boil, I'm going to be adding the coconut cream. Guys, now I'm adding my coconut cream and then I'll be adding my rice to this. I'm also adding my pepper now. added my rice. Now I'm going to turn the heat down and let this cook. Guys, here I've prepared the seasoning for my fish. So over here I have tomato, garlic, onion, and some sweet pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. This is for the fish. Over here is for the callaloo. I have some onion, sweet pepper, garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So here's my callaloo. I'm going to be washing my callaloo now. Now guys, the fish is ready, so I'm going to be making the sauce right now. So here I have my onion, garlic, sweet pepper, and tomato. I'm going to be sauteing in some oil. Adding some fish and the sauce. Black pepper, some ketchup, for flavor, and then I'm going to be adding some water. Now guys, I'm going to be steaming my callaloo. Here I have a little oil in my pot, and I'm going to be adding some garlic and onion and some sweet pepper. I'm going to be adding my callaloo. A little black pepper and some complete seasoning. If you don't have any complete seasoning, you can just use and you let it simmer until cook. I'm adding my fish to my gravy, and I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. This is how the rice is looking now. Almost ready. Color is very pretty. This is my callaloo steaming over here. So I'm going to just store my callaloo and let it continue to cook.
A few moments
So
later.
it's all ready. So I'm going to be dishing up now. My callaloo is also ready. And my roast fish is also ready. Guys, here is my finished bone stew fish and callaloo with pumpkin rice. Hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching.